Did you know that one ancient Chinese philosopher believed humans are naturally selfish and evil? Meet Junzi, the controversial thinker who shocked the world by directly opposing his famous rival Mencius. While Mencius taught that people are born good, Zunzi argued the opposite. He believed human nature is fundamentally selfish and greedy. But here's the twist. This dark view actually led to something amazing. Zunzi didn't just complain about human nature. He created the practical solutions. He developed character-building techniques that could train anyone toward goodness through daily habits and rituals. His methods were so effective that they became the foundation of China's merit-based government system, which lasted for over 2,000 years. What's incredible is how modern this sounds. Junzi understood that we become what we repeatedly do, a principle that mirrors today's behavioral psychology research. He knew that small, daily actions shape our character more than good intentions. His message was powerful. You're not stuck with your natural impulses. Through deliberate practice and the right habits, you can transform yourself into the person you want to become.